Every great idea starts with a single fold. When you create something with your own hands, you are not just crafting, you are building confidence, imagination, and joy. So let's fly high, one fold at a time. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel VJFamilyCrafts. I hope you're all doing great. I am Veom and I have got something special for you. I'm going to show you step by step how to make a special paper airplane that can fly up to 1,000 feet. It's quick, easy, and so much fun. So without any delay, let's get started. First, fold the paper in half. The sides should match. They should match. Open it back. Then fold it like a normal airplane. Like this. Like this. Fold the paper like that. I'll show you. Fold the other side. Like that. It should look like that. And fold the paper again. Like that. After that, fold the paper in half. Fold the paper down. So it should look like that. Then fold it like that. And fold the paper like a plane. airplane. Paper airplane is ready. Wasn't that an amazing airplane? Super easy to fold and fly so far like a rocket. Now it's your turn to make this cool paper plane and test it out. Also eat healthy dry fruit. This will give you power to your brain to think more creative. Let me know in the comments how it went for you. And if there's something fun or challenging you would like me to test, I would love to hear it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more awesome crafts and creative ideas. See you in the next one. Bye bye. And fly high. Let's eat. Tasty.